Did you know that 1 in 5 credit reports contains errors that could be hurting your score? Hi, I'm your credit repair guide, and today I'm going to show you how to dispute errors on your credit report. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot mistakes, file a dispute, and protect your credit score. Let's dive in. I remember the first time I found an error on my credit report. It was a late payment that I knew I'd made on time, but there it was, dragging my score down. I felt frustrated and helpless. If you've ever felt this way, you're not alone. But here's the good news. Disputing errors is easier than you think, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. In this video, I'll show you how to spot errors on your credit report, how to file a dispute with the credit bureaus, tips to follow up and ensure the error is removed. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to clean up your credit report and boost your score. Ready? Let's get started. Before you can dispute errors, you need to find them. Here's what to look for. Incorrect personal information like your name, address, or social security number. Accounts you don't recognize, which could be errors or signs of identity theft. Incorrect payment history like late payments you know you made on time. Wrong credit limits or balances, which can affect your credit utilization. To check your report, visit annualcreditreport.com. It's the only government-authorized site for free credit reports. I'll leave the link below. Once you've spotted an error, it's time to file a dispute. Here's how. Gather evidence, collect documents that prove the error, like bank statements or payment receipts. Write a dispute letter, include your personal information, details of the error, and why you're disputing it. Be clear and concise. Submit your dispute. You can file online, by mail, or over the phone with a credit bureau that issued the report. I'll leave links to the dispute pages for Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion in the description. The credit bureau has 30 days to investigate and respond to your dispute. Filing a dispute is just the first step. Here's how to make sure the error is removed. Check your report again after the investigation. Review your report to confirm the error is gone. Escalate if needed. If the error isn't fixed, you can file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB. Monitor your credit. Use free tools like Credit Karma or your bank's app to keep an eye on your score and report. Now that you know how to dispute errors on your credit report, it's time to take action. Start by checking your report at annualcreditreport.com, and if you find any mistakes, file a dispute today. Remember, your credit score is too important to leave to chance. Your credit report is more than just a document, it's a reflection of your financial health. By disputing errors, you're not just fixing your score, you're taking control of your future. You've got this, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs this advice. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.